Hi, today we're going to be replacing the shock absorbers or the front shock absorbers for a Ford 2002 Sport Track. And these are the tools that you might need. You might need to jack and put the stands or the support stands under the car. The shocks, ratchet, 50mm socket, 30mm socket, adjustable wrench, a 15 and a 13 adjustable, a cutting pliers to cut the wires that come with the shock absorbers, the bushings, the washers, nuts, screws, and lock washers. These are what you're gonna need. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna loose the 50mm nut that is right there. Either with we may need to use a WD-40 to loosen the bolt. Just put a little bit on top of the screw and all the connections. WD-40. And on the other one as well. Okay, just to loosen the bolts up. To loosen the top, there is an part of the shock absorber. You have two nuts, one on the bottom to hold it and one on the top to screw it. I'm using the 15mm combination wrench to loosen on the top. Gonna place it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the adjustable to put it on the bottom, and then you need to use both hands to loosen it up. Okay, we want you hold it and we want you loosen it. Okay, that's for the top. So after you untie it, the whole thing, all you gotta do is remove the nut from the top, okay, and then you do the bottom. Like I mentioned before, you're gonna need a 13mm wrench or a socket to loosen the bottom of the two studs. All right, so you take it off, that one and the one in the opposite corner right here. Okay, that one and that one. Okay, loosen it up and then you'll be able to take it off. Take the nuts off, and then you'll be able to remove the shock absorber. Okay. A little tight. Okay, and then you have to go to the side. Okay, look for the right angle so you guys can see it. push it up and take it down. That same way that it came out, that's the same way it goes up. Remember to put the bushings on the new one once you're going to put it on the top, so it could fit, right, nice and tight. And then put everything back the same way you took it off. Okay, now we're ready. Remember to put the bushing, like I mentioned on the top. This little ring needs to line up with the hole right there. Okay, the hole where it goes. And this has a position left and right, so you're going to put it as is, put it in the hole, line it up over here, okay, put the screws on just to make sure that they are there nice and tight. Okay, let's get the screws. And let's put the ones on the bottom first. Then you cut this with the pliers, this little wire, and then the shack will raise automatically. And then remember to adjust the bushing to the hole where it fits on the top. And then you put everything back like we took before. The adjustable wrench on the bottom and a socket on the top, or a combination wrench.